Humor is language that amuses the reader or listener through sarcasm, funny stories, puns, irony, comedic analogies, and other strategies. Here are some potential effects of humor on the audience. Humor can create a lighthearted mood, endear the speaker to the audience, portray a serious topic as ridiculous or ludicrous, establish a sense of camaraderie, reveal a shocking truth or new perspective, or expose an institution or person's negative qualities. Here's an example of humor. This is an excerpt from Ellen DeGeneres' commencement speech at Tulane University. And I didn't go to college here, and I don't know if President Cowan knows. I didn't go to any college at all, any college. And I'm not saying you wasted your time or money, but look at me, I'm a huge celebrity. So in this excerpt, the speaker first reveals the irony behind the fact that the university president asked her to give this graduation speech since she didn't even attend college. Her unabashed honesty endears her to the students in the audience. Here's a separate excerpt from the same speech. But why am I here today? Clearly not to steal. You're too far away, and I'd never get away with it. I'm here because of you, because I can't think of a more tenacious, more courageous graduating class. I mean, look at you all, wearing your robes. Usually when you're wearing a robe at 10 in the morning, it means you've given up. So in this separate excerpt, the speaker immediately sets the audience at ease and creates a lighthearted mood because she's joking about stealing. This is definitely not what the audience was expecting to hear, so they are already more apt to pay attention. When the speaker discusses the idea of wearing a robe at 10 a.m., she's exposing the slightly ludicrous nature of the graduation ceremony, allowing audience members to laugh at themselves. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell to receive notifications whenever I make a new video. Make sure to check out my AP English Language and Composition playlist for more step-by-step tutorials and other videos. I will see you next time.